And various Filipino food products are featured in this year's Sikat Pinoy Food Fair at the SM Mega Mall in Mandaluyong City. This report by Ara Perez.
Nothing could be more appetizing than our homegrown tastes, but the Filipino cuisine would always be the cut above the rest. There have already been a number of times when Filipinos had the opportunity to let foreigners taste the local cuisine. But beyond the appreciation of foreigners, us Filipinos should first and foremost be proud of products. The bad weather these past few days did not hinder Filipinos from having a taste of different local products from over 15 regions of the country in the Sikat Pinoy National Food Fair 2013 held at SM Mega Mall. The food fair features the best of the best, very suitable for the theme Piling-Piling Pagkaing Pilipino.
Para gusto namin pakita rito yung ano ba talaga yung mga kagandahan, yung mga kalidad na pagkain ng Pilipino na hindi lang tayo, mga Pilipino, ang matutuwa at masasarapan, kundi ino-open ito sa mga banyaga, sa mga foreigners.
The food fair aims to impart to Filipinos that they need not patronize foreign cuisine because the country has its own quality cuisine and are 100% pusong Pinoy made.
Simulan natin sa ating sarili, na maraming pagkain Pilipino na mas kalidad, mas masarap, kaysa doon sa mga foreign-based products na yan.
This is also an opportunity for our fellow men from different regions to sell their products in the capital.
Meron talagang Buy Filipino movement, at saka Buy Pinoy.
The Department of Trade and Industry assured that all the products in the food fair are clean and that trainings and assistance are available for those who want to start their own business. The food fair is open until August 25 from 1 to 3 in the afternoon, so it is just but proper to come taste our own cuisine that is very fit for our taste buds. For People's Television, Ara Perez.